Students, yeah, so complete now respiratory system. Yes, any doubts is there? I think very easy topic only. You can use for this flowchart is a very important flowchart is there. You can understand very easy, right? So mechanism of respiration. What is the mechanism of respiration? Four types of respirations are there. One is the pulmonary respiration or breathing, external respiration, internal respiration, and fourth one cellular respiration. So most of these ask they will ask one more question, right? So pulmonary respiration or breathing, second one external respiration, third one internal respiration, and fourth one cellular respiration. So what is the first one? Breathing or pulmonary respiration. This is a very important question. What is breathing? Exchange of gases between the air and the lungs. Yes or no? Exchange of gases. So that is the breathing or inspiration or inhalation or expiration or exhalation. So what is the breathing? Exchange of gases, inspiration or expiration or inhalation or exhalation means taking oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. That is what we call breathing. That is a pulmonary respiration. Second one, external respiration. It is a process in which exchange of gases between alveoli and blood. See here, exchange of gases, alveoli and blood. So the oxygen mixed with blood to change oxyhemoglobin. These blood cells to release carbon dioxide. So that is the external respiration. Means it is a process is which exchange of gases between alveoli and blood. Internal respiration. It is a process in which exchange of gases in between blood and blood tissue. The oxygen mixed with blood to change oxyhemoglobin. These oxyhemoglobin to send to heart to various body parts. So here tissue every cells to get oxyhemoglobin to get energy, right? That is the extra internal respiration. Means these gases between blood and blood tissues. Cellular respiration. It is a process in which oxygen is utilized for the breakdown of food. Already we discussed respiration. Yes or no? Oxidation. The blood means breakdown of glucose, pyruvate is released. Yes or no? Because of with the help of oxygen. Presence of oxygen we call aerobic respiration. Right? So cellular respiration mean it is a process of in which oxygen is utilized for the breakdown of food. Inhaled air Inhaled air consists of 21% of oxygen and 4% of carbon dioxide, and little water vapor is present. So when taking of oxygen, the oxygen it is a I think what is a gas is? Gas is a mixture of gases. Yes or no? So in this mixture of gases contain 21% of oxygen is present and 4% of carbon dioxide. Little bit amount of water is present. Water vapor. And exhaled air consists of 16.4% of carbon dioxide and 4% of 4.4% of carbon dioxide and more water vapor is released. What is the gap here? See here. So inhaled air and exhaled. So inhaled air is oxygen. How much of oxygen is present? 21%. Yes or no? 21%. Exhaled air means oxygen 16.4%. Carbon dioxide here 4%, here 4.4%. Water vapor is the little water vapor, but here more water vapor. Means here inhaled and exhaled. Inhale taking of oxygen 21% and releasing carbon dioxide also contain some oxygen molecule present 16.4. What is the gap here? See here, taking of oxygen 21 percentage and exhale here 16.4. What is the gap here? 4.6. What happened here? Taking more oxygen, release less oxygen because of the oxygen is utilized for oxyhemoglobin, cellular respiration. That's why we can use for 4.6% of oxygen And carbon dioxide taking off 4% of oxygen and release 4.4 means more. So if any factories are release, I think factories, more factories, more carbon dioxide. Yes or no? So here also lungs is look like a factory, right? Here also release some extra amount of waste material, that is the carbon dioxide. So extra amount of 4 minus 0.4% is increase, right? That is a cellular respiration, right? Any doubts, students? Yeah, very easy process because of types of respiration. Next class we will discuss about the how can change of oxyhemoglobin. What is the process to discuss, right? So this is a very important flowchart is there and draw diagram. This is the respirations, four types of respiration definitions, right? All the best.